sweet potato, mushroom and date tagine. Prepare the ingredients. Slice 1 onion in thin half moons. Finely slice 2 garlic cloves. Grate 2 teaspoons of fresh ginger. Slice 2 parsnips into 1 centimetre thick rounds. Cut 1 large sweet potato into bite-sized cubes. Cut 4 large portobello mushrooms into big chunks. Break 6 dates in half and remove the seeds. Heat a tagine over a high heat. Add the onion, garlic, ginger and spread around the pan. Add a tablespoon of ground cumin. Add 2 teaspoons of ground paprika and stir. Add 2 cups of vegetable stock. Add the mushrooms. Add the sweet potato. Add the parsnips. Add the dates. Cover with the tagine lid and cook until the potatoes and parsnips are soft. After 10 minutes, give it a stir. Cook for about another 5 minutes until the sweet potatoes are soft and resembles a nice casserole. Serve with wholemeal couscous and fresh coriander.